Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn how to find the matrix inverse with the identity matrix. Here we start off with a 3x3 matrix of 1, negative 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 1, negative 1. So there are 3 rows here and 3 columns. So first, in order to find the inverse of a 3x3 matrix, we need to augment the beginning matrix with 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. The identity matrix will start off on the right-hand side, and when we finish, the identity matrix will switch to the left-hand side, and the inverse will appear on the right-hand side. So, the augmented matrix is now with rows of 1, negative 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 1, negative 1, 0, 0, 1. So now we need to calculate row 1 plus row 3, which is 1 plus 0, which is 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 plus negative 1 is negative 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 0 plus 1 is 1. So now our new row 1 is going to be 1, 0, negative 1, 1, 0, 1. Then we need to take 1/2 of row 2. So we need to multiply row 2 by 1/2. So 2 times 1/2 is 1. 0 times 1/2 is 0. 1 times 1/2 is 1/2. 0 times 1/2 is 0. 1 times 1/2 is 1/2. And 0 times 1/2 is 0. So now we have a new row 2. So now we need to calculate row 2 minus row 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1/2 minus a negative 1 will turn into addition with with minus a negative, it flips to addition. So 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2, or 1/2 minus a negative 1/2 is 3/2. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. 1/2 minus 0 is 1/2. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So our new row 2 is 0, 0, 3/2, negative 1, 1/2, and negative 1. Now we need to multiply row 2 by 2/3. And this will give us 0 times 2/3 is 0. 0 times 2/3 is 0. 3/2 times 2/3 is 1. Negative 1 times 2/3 is negative 2/3. 1/2 times 2/3 is going to reduce to 1/3. And negative 1 times 2/3 is negative 2/3. So our new row 2 is going to be 0, 0, 1, negative 2/3, 1/3, and negative 2/3. Now we need to do row 2 plus row 3, and that will give us 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus negative 1 is 0, negative 2/3 plus 0 is negative 2/3, 1/3 plus 0 is 1/3. Negative 2/3 plus 1 is 1/3. So this will give us a new row 3. And that is going to be 0, 1, 0, negative 2/3, 1/3, and 1/3. So now the matrix will read 1, 0, negative 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, negative 2/3, 1/3, negative 2/3, 0, 1, 0, negative 2/3, 1/3, and 1/3. Then we want to switch row 3 with row 2. So now the matrix will read 1, 0, 0, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. And row 2 will switch with row 3. And so it's going to be 0, 1, 0, negative 2/3, 1/3, 1/3. 0, 0, 1, negative 2/3, 1/3, negative 2/3. So now the identity matrix is on the left-hand side, and the inverse will be on the right-hand side. So the inverse will now be 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, negative 2/3, 1/3, 1/3, negative 2/3, 1/3, negative 2/3. Now this is linear algebra and dealing with a matrix with the identity matrix. If you need online math tutoring, please text 559-744-3169 for services. Please donate on the Cash App with the $sign up front. MLBFan. Please donate on the Cash App with the $sign up front. MLBFan. Now we learned how to augment a matrix with the identity matrix to find the inverse. Please refer students that need help with math. And for faster services, please send a text message to 559-744-3169. I tutor for many math courses ranging from university, college, high school, and middle school levels. Thank you so much. Let's make math fun to learn.